The journey of goods is changing. It's moving faster, it's getting smarter, and greener. And that's because it's going digital. Whether you have an existing facility or you're building new, the key to keeping up efficiently and sustainably is digitalization. EcoStruxure for Digital Logistics from Schneider Electric digitalizes your facility no matter its age. Built on open standards, it communicates with third-party equipment. So it's not about rip and replace, but about plug and play. EcoStruxure connects IT with operational technology. It integrates power distribution, building management systems, IT infrastructure, robotics and automation, and e-mobility and microgrids. Plus, all the remote services and cloud analytics you need to stay on top of things from anywhere, 24/7. When your operation is digital, it's connected, optimized, sustainable, and ready for the journey ahead.